Hello everyone, this is my latest vlog and I would like to share with you the unboxing of my online shopping. Before I'm going to open my parcel, please do not forget to subscribe. Let's get ready. The unboxing begins in 3. This is it. Cycling shorts. This is made by Rockbros. The material is highly elastic. This is a quick drying material. Very quick drying material. The 3D printed padding is very thick for a comfortable and smooth ride. The main fabric is made of 82% polyester, 18% spandex, I rate these bike shorts from 10 out of 10 because the material is made of good quality and the fitting is true to size, exactly as I ordered online. The fit is perfect and very comfortable, and I cannot wait to ride this for tomorrow. The fit of these bike shorts is excellent. It fits well for my size, which is a small size, for my height of 5 feet and 4 inches. If you like this product, you can visit the link in the description below. And let's try to fit this product if the fitting is excellent. like this product, you can visit the link in the description below. And let's try to fit this product if the fitting is excellent. My videos in short, and see you my next videos. Bye bye.